Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video, tutuloy natin yung ating series about trigonometry. No? And in this video, ang gagawin natin is to find the sides and angles of a triangle given their two sides. No? So, ito, pwede nating kunin yung hypotenuse, no? Using the Pythagorean theorem. No? But we have to get the angles first. No? Paano pa ganito? Kasi most of the time, yung sa discussion dito sa series, ang kinukuha natin ay sides and angles, pero given ang isang angle. Dito walang yung angle na given, no? But still, we will use one of these trigonometric ratios, no? So, kung gusto natin kunin, for example, yung angle S, no? Angle S, then we can use the two given, no? Yung opposite side tsaka yung adjacent side nung angle S. No? So, pag meron tayong opposite tsaka adjacent, ano gagamitin natin sa tatlong to? No? Opposite and adjacent. So, tangent theta is opposite over adjacent, which is swak dito sa ating given. So, meaning we have tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent, which means that tangent theta is equal to, what is the opposite side? This is 13.5 T or TU over SU, which means that tangent theta is 13.5 over 39.4. So tangent theta is equal to, I'll check natin sa ating calculator, no? So we have 13.5 over 39.4. So 13.5 divided by 39.4. Oh. 0.3426, no? Siguro i-round off na lang natin. 0.343. Okay lang, siguro, no? So tangent theta is equal to 0.343. Now, ano ibig sabihin nito na ng number na yan? So, we have to, remember, we are looking for theta and this is tangent theta. So, para makuha natin yung theta, kunin natin yung inverse nito. So, magiging tangent, inverse tangent of 0.343. At paano yan kinukuha pagdating sa calculator? We have theta is equal to, pag sa calculator, we have, gawin na natin 0.343 kasi na-round off na natin. And then, meron tayong function, yung, meron tayong button sa calculator niya, yung second function. At makikita nyo, pag pinrest nyo yan, magkakaroon siya ng yung sine, cosine, tsaka tangent. Para magkakaroon siya ng exponent na -1. No? So, yan yung inverse of the trigonometric ratios. No? So, inverse of tangent, which is, we have to get this, the inverse tangent of 0.343. So, click lang natin yan. Yan yung ating sagot. 18.93, no? Or 18.9. Approximately 18.9. Ano yon? Length ba yun or angle? Approximately 18.9. Angle yun, no? Kasi theta yung pinag-uusapan natin. Actually, S yun. Actually, dapat nga S yun. Nilagay natin dito. Tangent S. Kasi yung angle natin ay S. Meaning this is also S. And meaning this is also S. Which means that S, measure of angle S is approximately 18.9. Sa ibang books nilalagyan nila ng measure of angle S. Okay. Ganyan. 18.9, which means na ilan to? Ang sum nito 90, di ba? Kasi 180 itong tatlo, pero 90 na to, this is the right angle. So 90 minus 18.9, ilan yun? This is 0. This is 1. This is 9. No? And this is 8. So 1, this is 1, this is 7. That's 71.1 degrees. Okay? So isa na lang, itong side lang na lang na to. Well, pwede yung pagpilian kung gagamit pa kayo ng trigonometric ratios. So, pwede nyo gamitin yung Pythagorean theorem. Siguro tignan natin yung dalawa, no? Una, trigonometric ratios. Anong gusto nyo gamitin? I think bihira tayo gumamit ng cosine dito sa ano na to. At ng sine. Dito sa series na to. Na ulit yung sine? Opposite over hypotenuse. No? So, pwede natin kunin yung sine ng S opposite over hypotenuse para makuha natin yung hypotenuse. So, sine S is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse, which is, sorry, TU pala to, opposite. So, katawan, opposite is TU over hypotenuse, which is ST. So, meaning, sine S is equal to, meron na pala tayong 18.9. So, pwede natin ilagay yung 18.9. 18.9 is equal to TU 13.5 over hypotenuse, no? Tama ba? Over ST. No? Now, if we multiply both sides by ST, we have ST sine 18.9 equals 13.5. No? Para makuha natin yung ST, we have ST equals 13.5 over sine ng 18.9. Okay? So meaning ST is equal to, ano ang sine ng 18.9? 18.9 sine. So sine dapat siya, hindi siya inverse ng sine. That's 0.324. No? This is 13.5 times 0.324. Tama? Ni-round off lang natin sa 3 decimal places. Okay? And 13.5 divided by 0.324. 41.66 or 41.67. So ST is around approximately 41.67. Okay? 41.6 or 41.7. Nandyan lang yung range natin. So, medyo malaki yung ni-round off natin. Maybe later, baka hindi tayo mag-exacto sa 41.67 pag ginamit natin yung Pythagorean theorem. No? But let's see, no? Hindi ko rin na-try ahead, no? So, using the Pythagorean theorem, no? Kasi na natin to kasi nakuha na naman natin yung side. No? The Pythagorean theorem, we have, ito yung given natin kanina, di ba? 13.5 tsaka 39.4. So, u squared equals 39.4 squared. Sabi sa Pythagorean theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the two shorter legs. No? So, the square of one shorter leg is 39.4 squared. And then we have a plus 13.5 squared. So, dapat ang lalabas na u, sana malapit ito, no? Otherwise, mali tayo, no? So, u squared is equal to, that's 39.4 squared. What's that? 39.4 squared. 1552.36. 52.36 plus 13.5, 182.25. And then we add natin itong dalawang to. So it becomes, may 182 na tayo dito. So plus 1552 na lang. 0.36. And then we get the square root. So ito na yung u squared mo, 1734.61. U squared is 1734.61. Tama? Now, if we get the square root, we get the u. We get the square root of both sides. Square root dito, square root dito. So, ano na yung square root ng, ng 1734? We 41.64. 41.64. So, hindi masyadong malayo, no? For 41.64, 41.67. No, kasi kanina nag-round off tayo, kaya medyo magkakaiba nga yan ng konti. That's, but still, no, we know that we are correct. Okay, so I think that's it. Nakuha na natin yung given two sides, nakuha na natin yung third side, at nakuha na natin yung dalawang angles sa loob, yung interior angles natin. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I hope meron kayo natutunan dito sa video na to. Gusto ko invite sa ating Facebook page, facebook.com/tip9ph, and our YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/tip9ph. Mag-subscribe kayo, no? Kasi marami tayong mga videos na ina-upload every time. Maraming salamat. See you in the next video.